Hey, so if your links in Bitly are not saving, yeah, that can be really frustrating. You create a link, but it disappears or doesn't show in your dashboard. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this problem. First, make sure you're logged into your Bitly account. If you're not logged in, links may not be saved to your dashboard. Try refreshing your dashboard. Yeah, sometimes links are created but not immediately visible. Go to your link history or all links section. The link might be saved there but not in your current view. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data, yeah, can cause dashboard sync issues. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. They can interfere with saving actions. Switch to another browser or device to check if the issue is local. If your internet is unstable, yeah, the link may not save properly. Make sure your connection is stable. And finally, log out and log back into your account. This can fix sync or session issues. So yeah, that's how to fix Bitly not saving links. One of these steps should help your links save properly again. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Tech. Hey, so if your links in Bitly are not saving, yeah,